welcome back to the next people. So right on today's video, I'm going to be introducing to you guys Gold Hunter V10, and this particular trading bot is absolutely free. You don't have to pay a dime to get this particular trading bot. Just join the Telegram channel and you're downloading the bot. I'm going to tag the bot and pin the bot. Okay, so if you are today is the first time you're passing through our video, my name is Next People. I introduce you guys on how to trade with a trading bot. Maybe if you're having issue with trading emotions and risk management, you can be able to trade well using a trading bot. So right on today's video, I'll show you guys how to install this particular trading bot and how to use it on your MT5. Okay, so all you have to do is to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Going through our Telegram channel, you're going to be having the Gold Hunter pinned. All you have to do is to download the bot. And if you're using mobile phone to actually install this trading bot, I'm going to still tag a video you can watch to be able to install this particular trading bot on your mobile device. So here you can see that the bot is already on my phone, on my PC, sorry. So all you have to do is to go ahead and copy the trading bot. So let's go to our MT5. This is our MT5, you can see right here. So this is XAUUSD. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to go to my file right here, go to open data folder, and this is for beginners. You already know how to install a trading bot. So you go to MQL5, you go to expert here, and here you just have to paste the bot. Okay, you can see these particular trading bots. We have the good V9, even V8 and V9.4. So right here we have the amazing V10. So here I'm going to be testing this bot live, no editing, and you can see how it works. And also I'm going to be feeling how the bot works because I haven't using the bot before. So what I'm going to do here is to close this. Okay, so here if you come here, and if you're not seeing your navigator screen, how to activate that is come to view here. So you're going to be seeing navigator right here. If you click on it, you're going to be seeing everything right here. Okay, so here let me drag this down little, drag this too down little. Okay, so here you're going to be seeing, if you're not seeing the Gold Hunter V10, what you're going to do is to right click on your PC. You're going to be seeing refresh. So once you're done refreshing, scroll down, you're going to be having the V10. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to drag the V10 or double click on that. So you're going to have this pop up. Yes, I want you to replace that. So here you can leave the settings the way it is, but I have my settings when it comes to Gold Hunter. What I do here is the max order, I always make sure it is 2. The max order, you're going to be having 2, and the max orders for sale, you're going to be having it just 2. Okay, everything is correct. Lot size, okay. So what I'm going to do is to click on OK. 1. Okay, so let me click on here. Okay, let me do some adjustments in the bot. Max order 1. Max order 1. Okay, so take profit, combine pip. I'm going to be doing 1,000. This is the highest pip to go, because how this particular trading bot works is once it's on profit, is going to be ending the trade and pick another trade. Okay, so pips step in pips is okay. So the same thing, 1,000. Okay, okay, everything is correct. Okay, so we are going to allow this bot to trade for like at least 5 minutes. And before as the bot is trading, I still want to show you guys this particular trading bot. Let me go to my browser, open new browser, seller. This particular trading bot has the best rating, and I'm not saying this because of promotion. No, this particular trading bot is actually good. Sniper trading bot is best if you are a sniper, if you are a scalper trader, you want to make quick money from the market before the market go against you, you can check out this particular trading bot. Okay, it's very nice bot. You can check out the bot. Okay, so let's go back to our trade. So the bot is still trading. So we're gonna wait and see how the bot works. Okay, you can see the market is actually uptrend. Okay, and if you want to make more money from this particular trading bot, you can leave your time frame 1 minute or 5 minutes time frame. Okay, because this particular trading bot is a scalper trading bot. What I mean by scalper trading bot is it scalps from the market. It's not a bot that can hold a trade for 2 days or more. What it does is to scalp, and instead of this bot to blow your account, it only add up. Okay, and if you come to history here, you see that instead of the bot to reverse, okay, it have to give you some loss, which is now up to $1, which is 0.14 and 0.16 cents. So if you come back here, you can see once the bot start giving you profit, what it does is to adjust the SL to break even. And this bot is amazing, and I'm going to see how this V10 is going to work. I'm going to see how it works, but let's go straight and test this bot. So to test the bot, let me come here and go to test. Okay, everything is correct. Okay, so we're just going to click on start testing. Okay, so after testing, this is going to give us an accurate time of this bot, maybe from 2016 this month, about this particular bot. Is going to do the analysis and give us if the bot is okay or not. But I've actually used the V8 of this particular trading bot, so the V8 works well, the V9 works well, and now they have the V10. Okay, I paid a lot to get this bot from the main source, but I'm gonna give it out the bot for free, even the instruction on how to install this bot on my Telegram channel. So do well to just join and download the bot. Okay, so I'm going to send a screenshot on my Telegram after this bot finish trading, because today is Monday. You know, the market is going to be slow. So based on storage and rest, I'm going to end the video, but do well, get the bot, test it on a demo account before going straight to install the bot on your main account. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe